Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing your paycheck has stopped. How long could you keep paying your bills? Most people rely on a single income source, making their finances fragile. Self-made millionaires think differently. Instead of depending on one paycheck, they gradually build multiple income streams. The first is earned income, your salary or business income, which acts as the foundation. Instead of spending it all, they use part of it to create more wealth. The second is investment income, where money grows through stocks, index funds, or other investments over time. Third is business income, earned by solving problems through products or services that can generate money beyond your working hours. The fourth stream is asset or rental income, where assets like rental properties or equipment produce regular cash flow. The fifth is royalty or intellectual property income, created from books, online courses, apps, videos, or digital products that continue earning long after they're made. The key lesson is simple. Wealth isn't about earning the biggest paycheck. It's about creating multiple sources of income that work together. You don't need to build all five at once. Start with one, stay consistent, and let each new stream strengthen your financial future. Small steps today can lead to lasting financial freedom tomorrow.